Hello and welcome guys at my channel Finance at Home. So today we are doing financial leverage, not financial, it's leverage question. Okay, we have already had done two lectures on leverage. First is introduction and second is the questions on leverage. Okay, we already had done some questions in leverage. Now we do the other types of the leverage questions. Okay, so now grab your notebooks, pen, pencil, because we both are going to do it, or either you want to do it, then do it. Okay, I am going to give you the questions, see it and solve it. Okay, because you have to try it now. So just try it. If it doesn't mean okay कि अगर नहीं बन पा रहा है तो क्या होगा, हम बना रहे हैं ना, तब देख लेना. ओके, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, सही हो गलत हो एटलीस्ट पता चलेगा कि कहाँ गलती हो रही है. ओके, so here is the question. Okay, this is the question. Take a screenshot or start doing. Okay, or if someone wants to doing with me, then read the questions and sit. Okay, now we start. The financial data for the three companies for the year ending 31st March 2012 are as under. Variable cost as a percentage of sales, which means these are in the percentage. Okay, they are not in the rupees. 66 2 by 3, 75% and 50%. Interest expenses 200, 300, 1000. Operating leverage is 5, 6 to, it is called 5 is to 1, 6 is to 1, 2 is to 1. Financial leverage 3 is to 1, 4 is to 1, 2 is to 1. Tax rate 50% in each. Prepare income statement of ABC companies. Okay, if anyone want to take the screenshot can take it. Now we are going to do it. Question, solution. Just 1 second. Now start. First, company A. Okay, sorry. Financial leverage formula is EBIT divided by EBT, or we can write EBIT divided by EBIT minus interest. Why we are taking this first? Because we already know the interest amount. Okay, so if we know one thing, we can find the other thing. We have to find, because in operating leverage is contribution divided by the EBIT. In contribution we don't know the contribution, we don't know the EBIT. If we know the EBIT, then it will be help to find out the operating leverage is fine, then we help to find out the sales. Okay, financial leverage given is 3, EBIT is not given, but interest has been given. Okay, interest is 200. If we do the cross multiplication, then the answer will be 3 EBIT minus 600 EBIT. Okay, 3 EBIT minus EBIT equal to 600, that is 2 EBIT 600. EBIT comes 300. Okay, now we'll find the operating leverage. Operating leverage formula is contribution divided by EBIT. Okay, so if you, or we else say sales minus variable cost divided by EBIT. Okay, operating leverage is given is 5. Okay, EBIT is 300 and it is sales minus variable cost is 1500 Sales is not given, but variable cost is given, that 66 by 3 percentage of sales. Okay, so 1500 S means it's 100s minus 200 divided by 3. 66 into 3 plus 2. Okay, एक second, S percentage. Okay, so if we want to subtract, we have to do the LCM will be the same. Okay, so it comes 3s minus 200s is 3. Okay, as the percentage will be going 100 by 3 percentage. Okay, so we will do cross multiplication. 4500 is the 100%. Okay, which means 100% S, which comes 4500. Okay, S will come 4500. Okay, now contribution. So variable cost, we have to find variable cost. Variable cost is the sales percentage of sales. So 4500 into 66 by 3%, it will comes, so it is 200 divided by 3 is 3000. Okay, comes variable cost comes 3000 rupees. Okay, don't forget to put the units. Okay, because it cuts 1 mark. So now we do second company B. Okay, company B, that is again financial leverage, EBIT minus interest. Okay, 4 is given, financial leverage 4 is given. Okay, EBIT we don't know EBIT, but we know the interest, that is the 300. Same we do the multiplication, cross multiplication is EBIT. For EBIT minus 1200 EBIT, that is come 3 EBIT, 1200 EBIT will come 400. Okay, now operating leverage is contribution divided by EBIT. Operating leverage is given 6. Sales minus variable, EBIT is 400. 6 sales minus 75%. Okay, or you say 0.75 divided by 100, 0.75. Okay, it comes 400. Plus 2400 is 0.25 S. Okay, now we divide the S with the 2400 divided by 0.25. 2400 divided by 0.25, that is 9600. S will be the 9600. Okay, so variable cost would be the 9600 into 75%, that is rupees 7200. Never forget to put the units. Okay, now we do company C. Okay, again financial leverage, EBIT divided by EBIT minus interest. Okay, financial leverage is given is 2. Okay, EBIT we don't know EBIT, we know the interest part only. EBIT minus 1000, we do the cross multiplication, EBIT minus 1000 equal to EBIT. 2 EBIT minus 2000 EBIT. EBIT will come 2000. Okay, now we will find the operating leverage. Operating leverage is contribution divided by EBIT, or sales minus variable cost divided by EBIT. Operating leverage is given to sales S minus 0.50% given S divided by 2000, it comes 4000 minus 0.50 S. So S will be the 4000 divided by 0.50. 4000 divided by 0.50, it comes 8000. Okay, 8000 sales. Okay, I know I have done very messy, but you have to be clean. Okay, variable cost, that is 8000 into 50%, which comes 4000. Okay, now we have to make the income statement. Okay, income statement is the main important part, and most exam this type of question will come. Okay, this type of question will become particular company A, company B, company C. Sales minus variable cost, what we get? The contribution. If we do fixed cost, if we subtract the fixed cost, we get the earning before interest and tax. Then we deduct the interest part, then we got profit before tax, then we deduct the tax, and we got the earning after tax, profit after tax, net profit, earning per share. Okay, sales would be the 4500. Okay, and variable cost is 3000, get 1500. Okay, fixed cost is not given. Okay, but we have calculated the EBIT, which comes as 300. Okay, so difference between of the contribution and EBIT, that is 1200. Okay, and interest will be given, that is 200. The profit before tax is 100, and the rate 50%. Okay, 50%, 50. Now profit is 50. Okay, company B 9600 sales. Okay, 7200 is variable cost. $24. Okay, we know the EBIT, that is the 400, and the fixed cost is 2000. Okay, interest given, that is 300, comes 100, 50. The profit will be the 50. Okay, 8000, 4000 is the variable, 4000. EBIT is 2000. Okay, the difference will be the fixed cost, and interest given 1000. Okay, 1000. So profit before tax is 1000 is 500. This comes 500. This is how you can make the income statement. Okay, in financial leverage. Okay, have done, it's given that the interest is given, okay, variable cost as percentage of sale is given, okay, operating leverage is given, financial leverage is given, and tax amount is given, and nothing other information had been given. So how we calculate? And they said that make the income statement. What we need in income statement: sales, variable cost, contribution, EBIT, EBT, everything will be needed, okay. Means because of EBIT, then you get interest, then you deduct the interest, then you get it, okay. So we have to calculate EBIT first, okay. So financial leverage is given, okay, EBIT upon EBT, or bifurcate. We we have to do bifurcate because interest is given, okay. In operating leverage there is a contribution upon sales, okay, upon EBIT, but if you do the bifurcation of contribution is sales minus variable cost. So there is nothing given, no EBIT, sales is not given, variable is given, but in the percentage of sales we don't know the sales part, so how can we calculate? But in financial leverage, if we bifurcate the EBIT, that is EBIT minus interest, interest is given in the question, okay. That's why we have starting solving from the financial leverage part, okay. So this is how we calculated EBIT 200 is given interest, and then we do the cross multiplication and EBIT has been calculated, okay. Then operating leverage, bifurcate sales minus variable, okay. This same we had done. Then we have calculated company B and company C as the same we have calculated company A. Then we make the income statement, okay. Income statement is sales minus variable cost comes contribution, then we deduct the fixed cost, then we comes EBIT, okay. Then we deduct interest part, we got the profit before tax, and then we pay the taxes, then we get the earning after tax, the actual amount profit we get, okay. Now we have to put all the numbers, all the amounts according to the income statement. Sales amount we have calculated, variable is also calculated, then we got the contribution, okay. We didn't get the information of fixed cost, so what we will do, we have the EBIT, okay. So what we do, the fixed cost is the difference between contribution and EBIT, okay. इन दोनों के बीच का डिफरेंस है ये, ठीक है. दिस इज हाउ यू कैन कैलकुलेट द whole questions and make the income statement in the exam, okay. If you have any doubt in leverage part, okay, so you can ask in the comment section or either you mail it, okay. I will give the link below the description box, okay. If you like the video, please give the thumbs up, okay. It's like a appreciation for me, okay guys, and please subscribe my channel also. Thank you.